Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on? What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the stream. What's going on, Skillful? What's up, Creighton? Jazz, what's up, girl? Good to see you in here. I haven't seen you in a while. What's going on, Jazzy? What's up, Crypto Newbie? Street Flames? Dildo Schwaggins? What's up, guys? Bitcoin, another day, another 39K. But we got some interesting that talks about DXY, things like that. We'll see what happens, man. Waterfly, the only child in here is you. Should we bring back the tunnel? You guys remember the old tunnel? The old tunnel intro? That was pretty lame looking back at it. But you know what? It fit the stream because, you know, a lot of my stream is lame. you know? That's why I like it. So maybe we'll bring back the tunnel. Let me know if you guys want to bring back the tunnel, man. What's up, Easy? Why did your voice go deeper? I don't think it sounds deeper, does it? What's up, Clint? Clint Cook. Clint Cook. Clint, you just sound like a freaking, I don't know, Mr. Cook. Clint Cook. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Mike said when Gina. Oops, wrong stream. That was a funny day, man. That was a funny day back then. Holy, wait, Mike, you were in there? That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. What's up, Fabian? My short is as bullish as hell. Let's see. He sounds like a cowboy. What's up, XRP Minimalist? Guys, there's not much going on today. It's another one of those days. We're probably going to talk about some more like macro stuff and things like that. It's another one of those days, dude. Another one of those days. All right, we're gonna jump on in today. We're gonna jump on in. Let's get it. Not gonna sugarcoat anything. We're just gonna jump on in here. Bruh. What's going on, everyone? Let me know if you like the hair. You guys used to crap. This is the old hair you guys used to crap on the hairline for. Look at how deep it is. It's getting there. It's getting there. But we might be bald by the end of this year, anyways, because we have a bet going on. If you don't remember, what's going on, everyone? What's up, James? What's up, Crane? What's up, Cody? Hutmo, Wookie, want a cookie? What's up, man? What's up, Mick? Bob, what's going on, man? I see Mick hitting on Jazz in the chat. I like it, man. You got it.
Wrap up. We're going to the moon.
You got it. All right. Let's see what's going on here. So what is Bitcoin doing? Well, just another sort of sideways action day. I mean, really, we got a little bit of a move up here, but pretty much just sideways. Are we coiling up for any move on the short-term time frames? I know a lot of people hate the word coiling up because, I mean, let's be honest, man. Let's be honest. Coiling up is, I guess sort of, depends what you think the definition of coiling up is, right? If we look at this, I mean, I would say that maybe Bitcoin's coiling up for another move. Now, this is the hourly chart, so take it for what you will, but we did have a move to the upside. It looks like we're getting a little bit of a, sort of apex coming in here for BTC, right? We're getting lower highs, higher lows coming in. Let's see what happens. If we were to take a measure move of this, let's say we do break to the upside, which we'll look at in a second to see if maybe we break to the upside or to the downside. Depending on where we break out, might get us back up to that $40,300 range. So that's where I would look at next. What's up, Kobe? Kobe said poop. Still the crab market, man. Let's do a poll real quick. Let's do a poll. What do you think Bitcoin is in? Let's do a poll, man, because I need to know what you guys think. Do you guys think it's a bull market? I don't know if anyone will. A bull market, a crab market, a bear market, or a Dale market? Let me know in the chat. If you don't know what a Dale market is, well, you don't know what it is. So I would vote for something else, man. But we have to put Dale market in there. It only makes sense, man. It only makes sense. What's up, Space? Anyways, let's go to the 4-hour chart. That will give us a little bit more clues. 4-hour. We're still in this big falling wedgie, man. Still in the big falling wedge. That wedge looks like a diamond to me, just saying. This one right here, Rodney. What's up, Rodney, by the way, man? This wedge looks like a diamond. It kind of does. It kind of does. You're right, actually. Now that I see it that way, it does kind of look like a diamond. It's not the diamond that we want. This kind of diamond reversal pattern, right? Usually pushes you back the other way. So if you actually take it like this, thank you for the heads up, Rodney. You might actually have a little bit of a diamond pattern, what might push you back to the downside. So we'll see what happens. So let's actually go to the other time frames, and then we'll hop back into the 1-hour wedge. Coma market. It's actually a pretty good name for it. Under 200 moving average. It's a bear market, said Jojo. Might be Jojo. Jimmy. Let's see what everyone's saying in the chat, man. Flea market. Let's look at the weekly. I got you, Mick. Why is my mouth so dry? Oh my God. Am I still so tired for the run yesterday? This is ridiculous. Oh God, man. My mouth is so freaking dry. It's ridiculous. You know what I feel like? I feel like Jabba after ate a whole thing of Chinese food. Jordan! Mom! Can you bring me some water? I can't move. My mouth is so friggin' dry. My mouth. It's so dry. Savvy. Help. Mom. Too many crab rangoons. All right, but listen, why is my mouth so dry? Too much backwash? No, man, I don't backwash. I'm very, very clean. Let's talk about aliens and ghosts and afterlife. We'll probably talk about that in a little bit, man. let's try to at least focus on Bitcoin a little bit, as boring as it is. So, overall on the 4-hour, we still got this sort of falling wedge formation on the 4-hour and the daily time frame, right? So, yeah, I mean, let's see. We got 4 lower lows. We got multiple lower highs, kind of converging a little bit of a wedge. We know we typically like these wedges.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Yo, doesn't mean we're going to 100K tomorrow, but these do like to break to the upside, all right? So have some patience. We don't know what's going to happen next for BTC, but these tend to break to the upside more often than not. Right now, like I said, I think it's kind of a crab market. It's a completely boring freaking market right now. It's tough to really get excited for any move to the upside or downside right now, to be honest. Like, I would even get excited for a downside move. I've been telling you guys this. I would be super excited, not to sound like Rover. I hate when I say super excited. It sucks. I sound like a little bitch boy when I say, let me get super excited. But, you know, it's hard to get super excited for really any move to the downside or upside right now, just because Bitcoin tends to retrace either way, whichever way it goes, man. So, I mean, listen. Right now, if we actually zoom in a little bit, just to look at the shorter term time frames, you are getting a little rejection on the 20 EMA at the moment. We had nice momentum on the 4-hour. Looks like we crossed back to the downside. I mean, let's see. I mean, we're kind of just hovering right on support. We keep bouncing right off support here. But overall, man, it's tough. It's tough. I'm not giving too many clues. Other than this from Rodney, I got to give a shout out to Rodney. I kind of like this diamond here. That could push us back to the downside. And it looks like the 4-hour, we just can't get back above that 20 EMA. We just keep getting rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Probably looks like likely we're probably going to break this back to the downside. If I'm going to be honest, guys, probably back down to the support of this wedge formation down here. if I'm going to be completely honest with you. You saw a ghost. You were looking in the mirror? No, man. Dry from drinking slaty water when fishing with Savvy? No. I'm actually not drinking wine right now. I just drinking water, bro. Let's see. Who else is in here? What's up, Bathwater? Jabba drinks soda only? No, that's Bob, man. All right. Let's continue on. So the daily's a little more clean on this wedge. It looks very, very clean, right? Perfect touches on the downside, perfect touches on the top side. We're ultimately waiting for the break up, right? I mean, we're just going based off probabilities. These break to the upside. I forget the exact percentage, but let's just say more than 50% of the time, right? So target would be back up at 48,500, which is the top of the wedge formation. Let's see if we get up there, but, you know, we still got some work to do, man. Rodney said, thank you. Studied all day to prove you wrong tonight. Of course you did, Rodney. Of course you did, Rodney. I would say that my biggest two trolls on the stream are probably Clint and Rodney, but they both watch every day and they love me. They just won't admit it. They just won't admit it, man. I love my trolls. Let's see. Drew said I don't drink alcohol. Good for you, man. Good for you, dude.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Drew said Bath is daddy. Nice. It's a polygon. Clint said it's a polygon, like I said the last time you called a diamond like that, Slim Shady. Why does everyone think I look like Slim Shady? Maybe if I had the sideways hat. I don't really think I look like Eminem, though. Not at all. I think I look more like, who do I look like? I don't think I look like anyone. I think I just look like me, if I'm being honest. All right, let's continue on. So, other than that sort of falling wedge here, which, you know, I still won't be surprised if Bitcoin kind of stays in this bear flag here, like it gets a break up from this wedge formation, at some point comes back up here and sort of comes back up and, you know, at least tries to test the top of this bear flag one more time. I would not be surprised whatsoever.
Heard your name in a couple different streams. In a good way. Keep up the great content.
What's up, Brandon? Heard my name in a couple different streams in a good way. Keep up the great content. Of course, man. People love to talk about me. Some people like to talk about me in a bad way. Some people in a good way. The thing about me is I don't give two shits what people say about me. So that's what it is. Michael said Jordan's popularity is pumping. It always does, man.
Strap up. We're going
Wait
to
till
the
the
moon.
market starts going back up again. What's up? All you white guys look the same, boss? All right. We're not going to go there, Waterfly. We're not going to go there. No, but I could be I would be surprised if this does break to the upside, right? And we see Bitcoin come back up here and maybe test the top of this bear flag again, all right? But let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. It's just, for me right now, if I'm going to be honest,
Rant alert.
I can't get excited about any move Bitcoin does right now. Because we've been literally sitting at the equilibrium, if I could speak. It sounds like Ethereum Classic, equilibrium. We've been sitting at an equilibrium price of about 40K since January, right? So it's hard to get super excited. You look like Crypto Savvy lost 100 pounds. Hey, Savvy might be sexy if he lost 100 pounds. This is what Savvy would look like if he lost 100 pounds. Hold on. Where is he? What's up, guys? It's Savvy. During this bear market, I've lost 100 pounds because I've finally been able to afford protein. I've finally been able to afford vegetables in this current inflation type market. All right? I've finally been able to afford it. So this is what I look like with 100 pounds. Am I sexier? My Elliott waves are sexier. You guys know Bitcoin is going back down to that price of 10K. It is going back down there, man. It is. Just wait for the Elliott wave. Let me bring up my classic Elliott wave pattern here. That I've said every single day for the past 365 days. Yet Bitcoin's still at 40K, right? We got our Elliott wave. So we got the 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got the 4, and this one somehow is going to go like this. But yeah, Bitcoin's got this Elliott wave all the way back down, approximately to 6K. All right, that is the target here. And I just want to let you guys know I did lose 100 pounds. Because of my shorts being able to afford all the juicy food that I haven't been able to afford in the bull market. So I'll let you guys get out. I'm going to go back on my fishing trip with Jabba. We caught a few stripers, and that's really it, man. I'll catch you guys later. Adios. Cody said Savvy acting like a god in his last video. He always does. He always does, man. I mean, I do too. 6K. No, I'm serious. He actually has been calling for 6K, man. Techno said, Jordan, you look like Bradley Cooper, not Eminem. I'll take that. A lot of people like that, Bradley Cooper. Actually, I kind of do. Oh, God. Now you guys are going to get me looking at myself in the mirror going, ooh, yeah, I look like Bradley Cooper. Hell yeah. No, I look like myself, man. I want to look like myself. All right, so let's continue on the weekly time frame. What's going on in the weekly? We're actually, before we get to the weekly, let's go check out the DXY, because this is what everyone's talking about right now, and I kind of agree. The DXY is at a huge position that either could start the next big rally for crypto and stocks, to be quite frank, or could kind of prolong this, you know, I guess you could call it a bearish, I mean, bear market since November, right? / crab market, could extend it out further, right? The DXY is coming up to the same level that it did in 2016, right? And it did in 2020, right? This right here was the start of the bull market back in 2016. This was the start of the bull market right here in 2020. Well, we're coming up to that same level right now. And you can see the DXY is super parabolic to the upside right now. The question is, all right, here's the question. Why is my mouth so dry, man? Hold on. I got to chug some water, guys. Deal with it. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to be back on track. But yeah, the DXY is coming up to that same level that it did back there. The question is this parabolic action going to end up being some type of blow off top in the DXY before we get a continuation down? That's what sort of everyone is talking about. Because if we look, if this breaks right here, it's going to get kind of ugly, right? If you look, the last 2 times that this level broke for the DXY, oh, excuse me, man. Here we go with the burps. The water burps are coming, man. Refreshing. It would be a little bit better if it was cold. Actually, no, it won't, because then your teeth would hurt. But yeah, we broke it right here. And you can see we went all the way up here to 121. That wasn't very good, all right? And the last time it did that was back here. It broke it back here. And it went all the way up here to 166. That would be nuts, man. Everyone would get crushed. Every market would get crushed. The housing market, crypto, stocks, everything would get crushed if that happened. Most likely. But, yeah, I mean, 103, that's still out in the sand, man. If this breaks, could be saying 121. So, let's hope this holds. Let's hope this holds for the basis of it's where the last 2 bull markets started, right? So, take it for what it is. Goddamn Waterboy. Waterboy, man. Smash the likes. Yeah, wait, guys. Smash the like button. Let's get back on the like button grind, man. Let's get back on the like button grind. The reason why I haven't been pushing the like button too much because the market's kind of slow. So, I mean, there's not a lot of new people coming into crypto right now. So, hitting the like button is, you know, is whatever. But, you know, for the few people that might be coming into crypto now, if you hit the like button, it does help the stream out a lot, man. Well, let's go to the weekly. What's going on the old little weekly chart, man? Oh, God. Bob's flipping out downstairs now, dude. Come on. That's why I didn't want to talk about the DXY today, guys. What the hell is Bob doing downstairs? No! Mom, the DXY is breaking out! Oh, my God. Mountain Dew is going to... There we go. Mountain Dew is going to be like $7 a can. What am I supposed to do with my addiction? I can't afford $7 a can. I can only afford like 50 cents because you buy everything for me. Mom! I can't afford Mountain Dew. I can't with Bob, man. But can you get your neighbor on as a guest? She might be coming. If I keep screaming like that, she might be coming on soon. So we'll see. We'll see. Take your meds, Bob. But yeah, we don't want to see that happen, man. For all of us, for all of our sakes. But what's going on here in Bitcoin land on the weekly chart? So for Bitcoin on the weekly, we want to continue to hold this range here, right? You see this range right here, where you got previous highs, and we're kind of sitting on top of that in this current crab market since January. I think this is sort of the level we want to see hold. I mean, and this is just basic support and resistance 101. I think people try to get a little bit too cute with it sometimes, and I think sometimes it's good to just keep it simple, right? So, quite frankly, if this breaks, which you also got the 100-week EMA coming in right there, if this breaks, well, you know, I think a move back down here could be in the cards. But this is on a close, right? You got to break this on a weekly close. But nevertheless, we just want to keep holding this range on closes, man. Is it going to matter in the long run? No. In the long run, I've always said this, man. I mean, in the long run, is any of this price action really going to matter? Absolutely not. None of this price action is going to matter, bro. You just got to wait it out. In times like this, I know it sucks. I mean, I've been talking about, the same thing for the past 4 months. But you just got to wait it out, man. You just got to wait it out. And we've got through January, February, March, April this year, pretty much bored as heck, right? Guys, just wait it out. I mean, we've already gotten through what I think is a majority of the bad price action. Now, a lot of people might think we're going to 6K, 8K, 10K, 12K, 14K.
Rant alert.
Newsflash, ya stupid pigs. We're not going to 12K, 14K, 10K, okay? We're not going down there. I think the worst is past us, okay? Can we still go down more? Abso-freaking-lutely. I'm not going to say you can't go down more. You absolutely can go down more. But I think the worst of it is gone. To me, at this point, it's just a waiting game on whenever the markets want to recover, right? The stock markets, whenever the DXY wants to top out, it's a waiting game for whenever that point comes through. And yes, I'm hitting my desk. Sorry, Clint. But it's just a waiting game, man. It's just a waiting game. Goldfish is 11K. Hey, I don't know, man. I don't think it's going to happen. I think you are a stupid pig if you think 11K is going to come. I really do think you're a stupid pig. Robert said, want to bet? Dude, I already have 8 bets in. What more bets do I need to do? I already have to shave my head off, eat shit, and eat a sock. What else do I have to do? I don't know if anything is any worse than that. Actually, I could think of worse things, but, take it for what you will. Let's go to the next chart. Let's go to the log growth curve. Shout out to Ben Cowan. Let's bring on Ben. Let's bring on our good friend Ben. Actually, can I even do the hair today? No, I can't. I can't do the hair today. Clint said DXY will hold these levels. Or here we go, Clint. Clint, I'll read that in a second, man. You gotta love Clint. What's the hair called where it comes down in a V? Widow's Peak.
DXY will hold at these levels or get stronger. We have 8
Let's
more
see if they
months
have it here.
and that will keep the DXY strong.
They have a Widow's Peak?
BTC could buck the trend in a correlation, but I doubt it.
No, they don't, dude. How do you not have a Widow's Peak, man? I'm only a pig. It's going to 100K, then it's going to 0. Mark my words. We'll find out, man. Widow's Peak. Yeah, it's a Widow's Peak. Thanks, Jenny. But, it's not on here. For whatever reason, there's no Widow's Peak on the app. So we can't look at it, unfortunately. So I apologize. What's going on the log growth curves? We kind of been chilling in between these two. So we know that these Fibonacci levels on the log growth curves have been pretty nice, right? So we've been kind of stuck between these two right here. You have this one coming up, and you have this one coming up here. We've been sticking this one as support and resistance. So you can see we're getting back to the bottom of the range. I mean, the question is, it's kind of interesting how our bear flag like this, you know what I mean, kind of correlates. You got the downwards price action, then you got the upwards price action, the bear flag kind of correlates with that with these fib levels, right? So the big question remains, I mean, which one are we going to break first? You know, I think a lot of people have their, suggestions and things like that. I'm under the influence that we're going to see a little bit more of a crab market for a little bit longer here. So, I mean, I could see Bitcoin kind of staying in this range for a little bit, man. For me personally, I know that kind of sucks, but I got to go with the flow, man. I got to go with the flow, and the flow is saying that we could see more sideways action, man. Everyone's kind of all over the place, right? I don't know who's bullish and who's bearish at this point. You got, actually, most people are bearish.
Rant alert.
Can I say this? We almost have everyone bearish. We kind of talked about this yesterday, man. You got BitBoy bearish. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, we are definitely in a bear market right now. I know it sucks to say we are totally in a bear market. Clearly everything I've said on this channel has been 100% accurate, and, counter trading my channel hasn't been successful in the past. But we are 100% in a bear market, guys. It sucks to say and admit, but that's just a sad reality of the situation. Like, it is a bear market, and I think DCAing is the lazy strategy here. But I also, guys, think it's a good time to DCA. Completely hypocrisy, but I totally think that is valid. Totally think that's valid. We are totally in a bear market. It's not a good time to DCA. But it is what it is. Let's see. What did Mike say up there? Did he ever say what was he? Oh, is the bet I lost? 5 miles. We don't say kilometers here, okay?
It was kilometers. It wasn't 5 miles.
Or whatever. 5 kilometers is what? 3.2 or something like that miles? Something like that. I lost that to Maya yesterday. So yes. I lost a little bit of my manhood yesterday. Not only for that reason, but the thing I had to do that I lost. Let's see. Yes, even Crypto Rover is bearish. Wait, really? Oh, Crypto Rover is bearish too? I don't know about that, is he? Where's Crypto Rover? Rover's bearish too? What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover here. I am super excited. Bitcoin is now in a bear market. I've been saying Bitcoin is going to break to the upside every single day on Twitter, like 18,000 times every single day for the past 4 months. But now I am bearish. Now I am super bearish, guys. It is a bear market, 110%. 110%. I am George. We're all George. Oh, shit. I didn't start the stream yet. Oh, God. I don't want to act bullish again. This is not a bull market, man. What BS can I come up with today? Shit. All right. I'm just going to go with it. All right. Go live. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to talk about the bullish news that Bitcoin got that didn't even push up the price. The price actually went down. But it's a very good day for Bitcoin, right? We're bouncing a little bit up here on the 30-minute chart. Bitcoin's looking really good, guys. Looking really good. Bitcoin is gonna go up. We're gonna go up. You just gotta have patience. You gotta continue to DCA and continue to ignore the whalish games, right? Continue to ignore the whalish games. It's really all it's really all I have to say today. I could do it. Let's do some Q&A. That's the dumbest. Let me scroll up a little bit. You guys are so dumb in the chat. I'm not answering any of these questions. These questions are so dumb. Did I buy ApeCoin? Yeah, I found one at the top. Scrolling up. This kind of does look like George. This kind of freaks me out a little bit when I look closely. When I'm looking at the screen, it does look like George a little bit when he's scrolling up. When he's like focused on scrolling up. But yeah. Welcome. I'm waiting for George to be in the chat again one day. He used to be in here like every single. There was a time where he was in here like every single day.
You made fun of him.
That's not why. He still liked my channel when I was made fun of him.
But you didn't do that before.
Let's see. Go up. But no, seriously, guys. I mean, I agree with George. I mean, it is just a waiting game, dude. It is just a waiting game. You gotta have people say it's a bull market, bear market. I mean, it's really a sideways market. I would say it's not really either. The last 1.5 years have just been us going sideways. Now, I kind of labeled this right here. Because I think this just sums it up, dude. It's like everyone wants to make this so complex with this red freaking
Rant
blood
alert.
diamond on the weekly chart, and you got this indicator and that indicator and this indicator. Let's just simplify it. Just take the simple support and resistance levels, and if we break this, we're good. If we break this, we're bad, right? I mean, let's just look at it like this. So this is the total market cap. This is not just Bitcoin. I labeled it like this. I mean, to me, this is what I'm looking at. Is if total market cap breaks up here, breaks above like 2.2 trillion, I think we can get excited and we can start dancing again. I want to dance, man. I'm so sick of this. Let's friggin' dance a little bit, man. Come on, everyone. Don't just stare at your screen like this. It's so weird when me dancing and I can just picture everyone staring at the screen with a blank stare. Come on, everyone. Don't be staring at your screen. You gotta dance for at least 2 seconds here. Don't wanna party. No, but in all seriousness, guys, if this breaks to the upside, all right, maybe we can get excited. Let's friggin' go. I mean, as long as we're in this range, it's the freaking crab range, man. This is the crab range. And if we break below this range, I mean, we're probably going to the summer lows. I mean, that's just the reality of the situation. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I mean, everyone wants to call it these fancy indicators, but I mean, that's just kind of the reality of the situation. We just keep going down and up, down and up, down and up. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. How can you borrow TA from others? Borrow TA? How do you borrow TA? I don't even watch other videos, man. You can even ask Maya. Do I watch anyone else's videos? No. I watch George and sometimes BitBoy. That's about it. And even BitBoy, I don't really pay attention half the time. He talks about XRP and NFTs the whole time, which I'm not really interested in either. George is hiring an assassin as we speak. He's not hiring an assassin. I would take out that assassin in 2 freaking seconds, man. George, want to come out with an assassin, bro? You not see me with my shirt off. Come on, man. Send the assassin. Send the freaking assassin down here right now. Right? You know where to find me, George. You know where to find me, bro. This is how I'll distract them. It's so dumb. That's how I'll distract them. With the freaking chicken nugget. You watch, Moon Boy. Ever heard doing TA now? The hell, man. I saw that situation, man. She tried to wreck him. Listen. She tried to wreck Johnny Depp, and Johnny Depp went, nope. That's why you can't trust anything what anyone says, man. Watch the actions, not the words. Watch the actions, not the words. Watch the actions, not the words. It's friggin' people, man. But anyways, that's really sums up the market for me right now, man. You gotta watch more? No. All right, it's same thing for Total 3, right? So we take altcoins. I mean, I labeled this too. I mean, this is how I have it labeled, man. I mean, it really comes down to this. It really comes down to this. So, took a grumpy. But yeah, if this crab range breaks, man, I mean, it's really the crab range right here. If this breaks, this is RIP land. You're probably going down to, once again, the summer lows. So you got RIP land. You got alts go nuts. Okay? We break this, alts go nuts. I mean, listen, like that's... And we're kind of right in the middle of the range. I know we're on the way down again, but we're just kind of right in the middle of the range. I mean, it's as simple as that. I mean, let's not sugarcoat it, guys. Let's keep it 100 here. Let's keep it 100, man. Johnny Depp Inu. Johnny Depp Inu is probably going off today. Let me check out Johnny Depp Inu. I'm happy for Johnny, though. I'm happy for Johnny, man. I'm happy for Johnny. He showed her what's good. Johnny Depp Inu. What the hell was that? Oh, that's the little like clam thing. All right, Johnny Depp Inu. How do you spell Johnny Depp? Yeah.
Why?
Johnny. Let me just type in Depp. Wow, there is no Johnny Depp Inu. I'm shocked after that. They always come up with these things after these things. And then Johnny Depp Inu goes nuts. George's Cap. DJ Clint, what alt are you scooping? You guys are funny, man. Johnny Deep Inu? That's funny. All right, what's going on here? DXY. We talked about the DXY. S&P. It's actually super interesting because the DXY is at the most critical point that it's been at in years, okay? And you also got the S&P 500 also coming up to the swing lows that it had back in March, at the beginning of March, right? So something's got to give here. Something's got to give. The DXY keeps pumping. S&P is going to bunk back down at least a little bit lower, at least these previous lows here. But kind of like we said, man, I mean, we used to talk about this a little bit. Every single time the S&P 500 has broken the 50 EMA, it's always gone down at least to the 200 EMA. Right now, the 200 EMA is at 3,600. That's about a drop of about 12 to 13% for the S&P. This obviously moves up every week, so it's not just going to stay at this level, but that would probably be a little bit worse for Bitcoin in general. So another thing we got to watch out for, in all honesty, like I'm not going to sugarcoat it. You don't want to see this drop. Typically not good for Bitcoin, right? The VIX predicts what S&P Bitcoin does next. The VIX. Aliens, they are coming. You guys just want to talk about aliens, don't you? We can talk about aliens. Okay, senpai. Aliens. You guys think aliens are real? Let's look at this poll, though. What do you think Bitcoin is in? We have 21% say a bull market. We have 39% say a crab market. We have 30% say a bear market. And we have 9% say a Dale market. So if we put the Dale market in with the bear market, because we know that a Dale market is typically a bear market, we have crab market and bear market tied, and we have bull market the lowest. Probably makes a little sense, I guess, especially since November, right? Let's be honest, man. Look, makes a lot of sense to me. So I'm going to end that poll. Makes sense, man. 39% say crab market. I like it, man. We are in a crab market. Aliens are definitely real. We are the aliens. Actually, that's I never thought about that. What if humans are the aliens?
We are aliens to other people.
No, but what if humans? It's too early for this talk. All right, screw it.
We
What
are
if
aliens.
humans are... What if it was just all animals and humans we actually came from a different planet, okay? Or a different universe. We just don't remember because it was so long ago. It would make sense because if you look at like all the old Egyptian stuff on all the old pyramids and things like that, they had like human shaped like gods and figures as the gods. They had regular arms, regular legs and stuff like that. I don't know. It would make sense, man. That's an interesting theory. I never heard that theory before. I'm always open to new theories, right? But it is what it is. Invalid mathematical poll without a time frame variable. Aliens are an anomaly. Yep. He's going full Alex Jones. Fabian said, dude, come on. We crash landed on Earth. It could be, right? I'm not going to vote anything out. No one actually knows, right? It's like Bitcoin. No one knows where Bitcoin's going next. Who knows where we came from, man? Please wait for the conversation. I need to get my 420. All right, we'll give it a few more minutes. We'll give it a few more minutes for the alien stuff talk. All right, what else we got? What else we got here? Just real quick on gold. So gold, I don't know who's interested in gold, but just to bring up gold real quick, gold looks like it's getting a little double toppy here. A little double toppy for gold. Could that mean anything? I mean, we know gold tends to be a hedge against inflation. So could you see gold come down a little bit, right? And that might be kind of interesting. Now, you'll have people come out and say, oh, this is a big cup and handle for gold, like this, right? But it might have got rejected. So that is interesting, very interesting. See gold come down. What can that tell us, man? Does that tell us that at the moment you don't need a hedge against inflation? So that gets rid of the Bitcoin narrative, a hedge against inflation. I was never this guy who thought that Bitcoin was ever a hedge against inflation. It's not. I mean, I would say that its only case for being a hedge against inflation is that it typically outpaces inflation, typically. But a hedge? I don't know, man. Extra tested. I'm a bear alien. Everyone's just talking about aliens in the chat now. What are you guys talking about? I'm looking for something about crypto. And I see, I need a couple more puffs before we continue the alien discussion. Those damn dirty apes. Humans evolving into Planet of the Apes. I mean, this world's already a mess, man. Everyone's jacked up. Rip to that 1% gain. This world's already crazy, man. 2 words mostly Googled lately. Aliens and a... Really? Aliens and atomic bomb? That's interesting. I don't know if I can say it on YouTube. YouTube, I'm sorry, man. Now YouTube's going to Karen me now. Oh, God. Jordan! Did you just say atomic bomb? All right, guys, we are deactivating this guy's channel. Come here. Can I get a... Come on. Boss. We need to deactivate this guy's channel. He just said bomb. This is ridiculous. You can't say bomb on YouTube. Screw free speech. You already know what's going to happen. Some people definitely have... Let's see. Don't forget the pass.
Hey, what's your rank? 12?
What's up, Tony Sasa? Tony Sasa. Every time I see your name, man, I'm like, this guy's got the best last name in the game. His last name is literally Sasa. Tony Sasa. Cameron got bummed by an 8. DJ, you gotta chill, man. Oh, shit. That's how 8 started. Oh, that's bad. All right, what's going on with ApeCoin? ApeCoin's at least going up, so let's check out 8. 8 broke all-time highs today. Can we get a little frisky in the chat? Let's get a little frisky. And a little frisky is the right word, but let's get it, man. Guys, by the way, smack up that like button, man. I'm very, very upset with the like button right now. Very upset. If you haven't smacked it, make sure you smack it. If you are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. For everyone that might be new to crypto, which probably about 2 of you guys in the chat, but that's okay. That's okay, man. We got everyone we need here. That's it. All right, let me read this for Clint. Oh, no. Yeah, Clint. Appreciate the super chat again, Brandon Rao. That was nice. That was a nice, kind words, man. I like those kind words. They go a long way with me. DXY will hold at these levels or get stronger. We have 8 more months of rate hikes, and that will keep the DXY strong. BTC could buck the trend and the correlation, but I doubt it. Crypto winter now. Wait, Clint, you were bullish like 3 days ago, man. Clint, I'm very upset with you, man.
Everybody panic, we're going to 0.
Clint's a flip-flopper. Clint is a flip-flopper.
Everybody panic, we're going to 0.
It's all right, man. We all flip-flop. I do it too. It's all good. But yeah, Ape hit all-time highs, now coming a little bit lower. Just before we get too excited, it doesn't mean FOMO into ape, okay? Do not FOMO into ape, all right? It is in a big kind of rising wedge. Not a kind of a rising wedge, but it's in a rising wedge, which these typically break to the downside. So keep that in mind. I mean, crypto's still in sort of an iffy spot, right? So just be careful buying something that's at all-time highs. That's all I'll say, all right? Ape at 1934. I might take some profits on ape here, just because, I mean, I bought ape down here and I haven't taken any profits yet. And it's at all-time highs, and Bitcoin's, like I said, at an interesting spot. So I might take some profits on ape, to be honest. And because it's in a bearish pattern, you got a little bearish divergence on the 4-hour, kind of screaming a little bit of a pullback here, maybe at least to the 618 retrace. I could see it coming back down to like $16 or so. Especially if Bitcoin has another pullback. But we got to see what Bitcoin does first, right? It's always the question. But I might take some profits on ape. Patrick, should I ape in now? I like the pun, man. I love the pun. Don't FOMO into ape, short it. I would say right now, I'm going to be honest, I'd probably rather short ape than long it right now. I'd say that. For sure, man. I'm like the only come to the bear side. Robert, I'm not coming to the bear side. I'll be on the crab side. There's 3 sides right now. Bull, crab, bear. I flip-flop on the 15-minute candles. Everyone seems bearish, though. You know what I mean? Everyone's either bearish or crabbish, which I get in the macro sense. But remember when we all used to say this, guys?
Rant alert.
This is like the one thing that doesn't flip me completely bearish is everyone is bearish right now. Literally everyone. Even the big YouTubers are now bearish, right? And what did we used to say? When everyone's bearish, it might not play out right away, but that's usually when we see things bounce back. Now, it doesn't have to happen that way. Everyone, I guess, can be right. I mean, look at 2020, right? Everyone was bullish after the halving, and we still went up, right? So it doesn't have to play out the way that the I guess the YouTube herd or the Twitter herd can be correct, mostly. But everyone's pretty bearish. Retail's bearish. I don't know what institutions are probably bearish too. They got a lot of cash on the sidelines. But that's one of the things I'll say is everyone's bearish right now. That was a different space. Facts. Everyone was bullish in 2020, and we still went up, you know? So everyone could still be bearish and go down. Two domes theory on Bitcoin. Check it out. Tesla before it ripped. We could check it out. Everyone was short, said David. Bearish on the herd. The herd is bearish. I don't care what anyone says. The herd is bearish. But everyone's bearish on everything. Right? Stocks, crypto. The housing market keeps ripping, though. It's like, dude. What's good, though, is there could be, would be awesome. This is what I'm kind of looking forward to, which would set me up freaking great. Or set a lot of people up great in the crypto space, is if we go, say, another 2 years, and then we have a run up on crypto, and then the housing market takes a little bit of a hit in the meantime, that would be like the perfect situation. Just kind of discuss macro things. That would be the perfect situation, man. You get out on crypto in the next run up, put that into real estate, passive income, good to go, man. That's sort of the ideal situation, because I'm waiting for the housing market to drop, man. I'm not buying any real estate at these prices. That's a waste, in my opinion. The charts don't lie. Going to drop to the daily support at 37,754. Rally to the 618 and then dump. The only question is when. We're still due for that. I think we're also still due for that 618 retrace, man. I think we're due for that. All right, let me get off ape, though. Let me go back to BTC. BTC is just chilling 39,200, guys. Tony Sasa said, hey, what's your rank? 1, 2, 3, 4. Algo, Mana, Avax, Matic. I'm going Matic, Avax, Mana, Algo. So literally the opposite that you listed, man. Matic, Avax, Mana, Algo. Right at the current moment. You asked me a couple months ago, I probably would have had Mana ahead of Avax. But now, I probably go Matic, Avax, Mana, Algo. That's what I'd say. What's up, Blue Collar? Hey, Jordan, can you check out Rose? Check out Rose. Rose Coin. Blue Collar. What's up, man? All right, Rose Coin. What's going on Rose Coin? And then maybe we're getting to close to 8 o'clock. Maybe we can talk about some aliens. We can talk about really anything you guys want. My theory. You guys want to hear my theory about aliens, man? It's not as bad as a flat Earth theory. Trust me. Is there any actual flat Earthers in the chat? If there is there any actual flat Earthers in the chat? Let me know. Because I will debunk your theory right now, man. Stupid flat earthers. You guys are freaking idiots, man. I don't care what anyone says. You guys are freaking idiots to think that the earth is flat. Let me know if there's any of you guys in the chat. All right, Rosian. Oh, no, it's not. This is not the right one, man. Hold on. Rose. All right, there we go. Yes? What happened to all the Doges? What happened to all the Doges, man? We were getting them hyped up to dump on them. Yes? Waste of time? Thank you. Flat Earth aliens? All right. If the Earth was flat, okay, debunk this. If the Earth was flat, how the hell, if someone could be on a boat and keep friggin' going off a boat, right? And say if the flat earthers had a freaking flat map and they decided to go right to the edge, okay? Why doesn't the boat just fall down? Why the hell do you keep going? Come on, flat earthers. What do you have to say about that? If you're on a plane and you flew all the way around the earth, why do you keep going? Why don't you just end up going into space? Freaking idiots, man. They're freaking idiots. Those are just people, flat earthers are just people who want to be different and woke, and you just sound stupid. That's what it sounds like. Jordan cracked open the White Claw? No, that was Maya. I got some wine. Some wine waiting for me. But no, anyways, let's get back to Rose, man. You thought about this theory too much. There is no edge. Yeah, exactly. There's no edge. That's my point, man. There's no edge. Because science, the pop-up on the other side. Oh, don't start with the pop-up on the other side. Don't start with that, man. The Earth. So basically, why is there a horizon? Why is there a horizon? Well, it's a good question. I mean, here we go, man. The flat earthers are bullish too. If the Earth is so round, why is Melissa so flat? Here we go. All right. What's Rose doing? Let's get back into crypto. So Rose, what's Rose doing, man? I mean, you could look at a lot of these alt charts as, you know, longer term wedge formations. I mean, we've seen this. We see this for Bitcoin. We see this for. We looked at another altcoin. I forget what it was, but I mean, this is sort of the same thing. You know, what could we expect here? What could we expect? This. Let's go to the 4-hour chart because the daily is not really telling us too much at the moment. 4 hours coming down. Kind of the same thing as Bitcoin. You are just getting ready for some type of move, right? So like this. You got the 4-hour stocks coming down. What I'd watch for on this guy is the break of the RSI first, right? So break of the RSI, which usually tells you what's going to happen with price action, right? It looks like the RSI already broke to the downside here. Just looking at this. So typically when we see the RSI break, we see price action follow. And you got the 4-hour stocks coming down too. I could see this definitely breaking to the downside, at least coming back down and testing support again. At least this is short-term time frame stuff, man. back down to 19.6 or so, back down to support. And then hopefully for a double bottom, retrace to the top. Daily's not really giving you too much at the moment, man. I think it's likely you come back down and test support again before continuing back up. In my personal opinion on Rosie. On Captain Rose. On Rosecoin. But overall, I mean, it's a big macro wedge, so you would hope that, by the next couple months, this eventually breaks to the upside. But you could stay in this until the end of June, right? And that's, talk about another 2 months, which is a long time, man. A long time. Java. Shan, dude. Jordan, look at the logo. There we go. Pizza's round and flat. What's another theory? We don't have to talk about. Let's not talk about conspiracy theories. Because I could go all day with those. Let's talk about this. Trying to think what you guys see in the chat. Give me a good topic to talk about here. Because we've talked about aliens. You guys know my take. Well, you guys don't know my take, actually. My take, hear me out on this, okay? Hear me out on my take. This is very, very deep, okay? I think that our world, or really our universe, is this kind of an ever-ending, we can't see the end of it, right? It kind of just goes on forever. My take is that we are one of two things, right? We are a smaller kind of cell, because you know how our body has a bunch of cells and stuff like that? We are a smaller cell. Our universe is a cell of a bigger thing, a bigger living thing. Or we are just, like, our whole universe is just one giant experiment for something else, man. That's my take. Because that's the overall take. Because the universe, the space is just space. It's so weird, man. We don't know what's out there. You have no idea what's out there. If you kept flying straight, what would you hit? You have no idea. No idea, man. Men have no real use for nipples. I mean, you can make a use for nipples. Some men like to get their nipples squeezed. Some of them like to get their nipples bitten, Some of them makes them horny. I think Jabba likes to get his nipples bitten. Melissa, come squeeze my nipples. Yeah, put some clips on them. Yeah, come squeeze them, Melissa. No, they're down here. They're a little bit lower. Yeah, I know. My boobs are pretty big. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, okay. Now go find it. Now you gotta go down and find Jimmy. No, he's under the fat. No, Melissa, lower, Melissa, lower. It's embarrassing. It's under the fat. No, I'll lift it for you. So bad. But yeah. Hey, some of them like to be squeezed. I'm dead. Butterfly said my nipples are pierced. Oh God, man. I don't know. I don't think guys should get their nipples pierced, man.
Nope.
I think that looks a little shady. Disturbed. Oh God, poor Jimmy. The simulator has advanced error correction. You can only get one chance to observe a glitch. What are you talking about, XRP? DJ said Jabba has tits on his on his back. Tits on his back? That's brutal, dude. That's brutal. We're still watching this at BTC, guys. I mean, there's not really much going on. We can look at some other altcoins too. Let's look at, say, ETH, because ETH is getting a little bit of a bump up. It doesn't even look like much. It looks like a blip on the radar, doesn't it? Like, oh, woohoo, ETH is up 3%. Woohoo!
Strap up. We're going to the moon. Tomorrow.
Okay, but, I mean, in reality, it's a little blip on the radar. We got a lot of work to do with these altcoins, man. We got a lot of work to do. Just got to stay patient in the game, man. You just got to smile. You got to take it in. That's all you can do. What are you going to do, guys? What are you going to do? You're going to get all huffy and puffy because the market's not going up. What are you going to freaking do, dude? But, no. I mean, ETH is just kind of in this... It's kind of just a channel, right? We know Bitcoin's kind of in a little wedgie. ETH is kind of just in a little channel. I wouldn't really call it a bull flag. I think it's a little bit too long to call a bull flag, but, you know, it is what it is, dude. It is what it is. Weaponized cyborg nipples would be cool, though. Oh, hell yeah. Nope. What are you guys saying here? Read in the chat. Dumped all my alts, only an ape and BTC. There you go, David. Ape's been doing pretty well. So there you go. Drew said, I use my nips when I enter a short. Bull tears get me so hot. Nice. Bull tits get me so hot. You know what gets me hot? Not much, man. Doesn't take much. Huffy and puffy or happy and clappy? A little bit of both. Want to play happy and clappy, man? Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. Where's my guy, Vitalik?
Happy and clappy. Vitalik is the best.
Waiting for the neighbor. It's my goal to get her to call me a retarded, whatever she called me. What'd you call me? What'd you call me? A retard? That's my goal. Not crypto. Am I bullish or bearish on religion? Oh God, this might be. I probably shouldn't touch on this subject. All I'll say is I am an atheist. Okay, that's all I'll say. I shouldn't touch on the subject though. It's a touchy subject for some people, but I tend to stay away from that. I'll say. Canadian bank guy. All right, we can do that. Here we go, man.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Oh, man. You guys gotta go watch that guy's videos. He's pretty funny. He's pretty funny, man. DJ, facts, bro. Facts, DJ. DJ knows what's up, dude.
Do you think that S could go back down to sub 2K range? Throwing kisses.
Jordan, do you think ETH could go back down to sub 2K range? Where's ETH right now? I mean, yeah, if ETH breaks... If ETH break this range right here, you know, which is a critical range, like we said, has previous highs, previous lows, and now you're trying to flip that as support. If this breaks again, I mean, ETH could get a pretty harsh drop, at least to this yellow trend line, which has been holding for ETH since 2020. Yeah, so 2020, all the way back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least they move back down to like 2,500. And then if that breaks, oh boy, that probably wouldn't be great for ETH. But overall, I mean, if you zoom out on ETH, I know everyone wants to get super like, oh my gosh, the sky is falling. I mean, look where ETH is right now. I mean, it's the same thing, man. ETH has pretty much been going sideways since actually a year now, right? Almost exactly a year. We were at the same exact price on April 27th in 2021. It's pretty funny, man. It's pretty funny in hindsight. The exact same price. So you could say for a year, ETH has been the same price. It's hit this price once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times in the last year. Would I be surprised if it just keeps hitting that level over and over again for a little while? No. Zoom the frick out, man. We're at the same price as we were a year ago. Everyone's acting like we're in this Everyone's acting like the sky's falling. People are more bearish now than they were last summer. And we're still at prices that are considerably higher than last summer. That's what really cracks me up at the current state of the market. Is you literally had all the influencers still bullish over here, okay? Last summertime when ETH was at 1,700, 1,800, 1,900. ETH right now sitting close to 3K, and everyone's friggin' bearish, man. That is what kind of cracks me up right now. It's not as bad as people make it. Now, if you bought up here, okay, I get it. You know, it sucks. Boo-hoo, we've all been there. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, man. We've all been there. If you can't handle the bad times of crypto, you're not going to get through the good times. Just saying. Boo-hoo. But, it's really not that bad, especially for ETH. That's just the current state of the market, man. It's not as bad as people are making it out to be. It's really not, man. It's really not. DXY isn't going to pump all year. Market's already tanking with a single hike. Fed gungo flop. Gungo flop. I want this bear market to go on for another year or so the 2018, 2019ers can't flex that they went through the worst bear market. The higher the price, the more likely it will go down. Let's see. 40K incoming. Aaron said, watch my blood pressure. My blood pressure is perfect, man. Well, it was perfect. Still is. Still is. Why? Because I drink this. This is the key to life right here. Water. If you're like Bob and you're drinking soda, you're going to get messed up, dude. What's up, Scott? Thanks for the super sticker, man. I love it, man. I love the high five, dude. It's true. The market isn't a big yawn. Facts. Facts. Appreciate that, US Blue Collar. And Scott, dude, you're the man. Ape Short's getting wrecked right now. Oh, yeah, Ape. What's Ape doing? Oh, we just got the new daily close. Look at the daily close for Bitcoin coming up. Look at Ape, though. The question is Ape. If Ape can break... Let's go over to Ape. Let's go over to Ape, man. Yeah, what is going on right now? Come on, TradingView. You're killing me right now. I'm acting like I'm like a 60-year-old man. I can't even control TradingView at the moment, dude. But Ape is moving up again. You really want to see Ape break out of this sort of wedge. You know what I mean? And you really want to see it break back above the 1.618. If it breaks back above the 1.618, it's going to continue up. But right now, I got to give it the benefit of the doubt. It's still kind of chilling in this wedge, right? Until it breaks this, I don't want to get too excited here. But Ape Shorts, get wrecked, bro.
Bruh.
Amazon earnings will be bad tomorrow. Big losses on... Gotcha. Keith, man. Keith, be nice in the chat, man. Be nice in the chat, dude. PLGR, I got you, Scott. Keith, don't be like that, Keith. I'm not going to say I don't disagree, but... I'm not going to say I don't disagree with you, but just be nice in the chat, man. That's all I'll say. All right, PLGR, what's going on here? I don't pray anything. They are unworthy of my prayers. I am my own God. Who are we praying to? All right, okay, I'm going to stop. I'm gonna stop talking about that subject because I got a big mouth that tends to get people mad at me for saying things that I believe. Java says, no one believes me. I'm going to hang out with SpongeBob. Nice. Free speech. It is free speech, but there's still some things you probably should avoid saying. All right, let's come down here like this. And there we go. I mean, Pledge just looks like this, man. R.I.P. to Pledge. Usually when I play this, though, it's usually due for a bounce back. You know what I mean? So if there's one positive you could say from this is the dump song usually is maybe a long song, man. That's all I'll say. I mean, you have some bullish divergence. Must be bullish said me too. Yeah. Listen. I got a big mouth. I usually say things and I regret saying them right after. That's all I'll say. But yeah, so you have lower lows and you have higher lows coming in. So you got a little bullish divergence. The one thing I would watch out for here is the daily stocks are overbought. So, you know, this could have already been the move of the bullish divergence. You already kind of got a pump there. Now what you're waiting for is sort of, you know, is this going to get rejected from the 20 EMA? It looks like it can't get over that. So just based off the daily stocks, I have to assume this was the move, and this is going to come back down, man. I don't know. That's what I'll say. For all you know, this could pump tomorrow, but the trend is your friend to the end, and you just hit the top of this already. I could see it move back to the downside, man. Back down to whatever the bottom of this channel would be. So you could take like a fib like this. Man, all the way back down to the 1.618. That would be a hefty move. I don't know if you're going to see that. But at least that just continuing down this little wedge formation. Looks like crap. It does. Tell a pickup line to a New Yorker. No, man. My take with pickup lines, if you need a pickup line, you got no game in the first place. If a girl likes you, you don't need a pickup line. That's what I'll say. You don't even, if a girl likes you, you don't even have to say anything. They're just going to like you anyways. That's what I'll say. Same thing for guys. If a guy likes you, you don't have to say anything. What's up, Mike? I just went 30 minutes into the future in my time machine, and Jordan will be breaking down all his thoughts on religion and God. Facts, man. Facts, man. Think about it in all your life, guys. Right? For any chick that you try to do some pickup line on, you know, comes off as cheesy, man. If she thinks you're good looking, or, you know, if you meet her in person, she doesn't know you, she thinks you're good looking, if she likes you, it is what it is, right? But if, you know, if she already knows you and she likes what you got going on, you could say, I like shit, and she's still going to like you. Doesn't matter what you say. Air is free. Facts. Why does this webcam thing always come in my chat? Webcams chat XYZ. Hot girls and boys video chat. Sounds intense. It's multiple. Sounds very intense. Hot boys and girls. Super cheese. All you gotta do is soon them to cash? That's not true. Some of them. Those are the ones you don't want. DJ, when oxygen tax? Oxygen tax? Actually, we were talking about the other day. They used to be in New York, well, I think it was in all states, that you couldn't collect rainwater. And we were talking about this the other day, like, when it's going to come out that you're going to have to start renting oxygen. It's going to come, dude. It's going to come. Any way the government can make money, that's what's going to happen. You know it's coming. You can't even get water, bro. When oxygen task. I just tell her she must be a parking ticket because she's got fine written all over her. That's pretty funny. I think most people would laugh at that. I would laugh at that. I think those things are funny. Yo, Maya. You must be a parking ticket because you got fine written all over you. She looked at me like I'm a weirdo. Fact, you said it. Anyway, they can get away with it, they will do it. Facts. All right. What else we got going on? We did PLGR. Mike said, I just went 30 minutes to the future in my time machine, and Jordan will be breaking down all his thoughts on... No. Mike, we ain't talking about no... We're not going to that subject, man. We're not going to that subject. Maybe if it was 20 years ago, we would go into that subject. In the UK, some bee tried to tax people per window in her house. Tried to flat tax people per window in the house. Now you owe her $40. Starting to goldfish. We are starting to goldfish, man. Did we do Doge yet? We didn't do Doge. Where's all the Doges, man? Remember all the Doges were getting pumped. I don't think there's a lot of Doges left. Are there actually a lot of Doge truthers left? I'm just kind of reading the chat here, guys. Sorry if I'm quiet for like 5 seconds. Are there any true Dogers left? Other than traders? Because the Dogers were getting all hype, man. The Dogers were out here partying. Where's all the Doges, man? No, we're back down now. They're in bed now. They're in bed. I've been holding a small bag that I'll just hold until the end of time, and who knows? Nothing wrong with holding Doge as a lottery ticket. No, dude, I've always said the worst thing the government does is the grocery bags. What else is bad? They want to charge for grocery bags, but they can't even clean the city. They can't clean the city. They want to charge for grocery bags. They want to... I guess it's not their fault. Jordan is a weenie. Facts, Nicola Sparks. I'm a weenie. Now, what would make me a weenie is me and be like, I'm not a weenie. I'm not a weenie. That's what would make me a weenie. Is me denying that I'm a weenie. Doge, your arms are bigger than my thigh. That's funny, man. That's super funny. So my arms are bigger than your thighs? They're not that big, dude. They're not that big. Do you believe in ghosts and the paranormal, said Lauren? Lauren, I do 100% believe in ghosts and paranormal. 100%. 110%. The biggest reason why is you guys, I'll ask you guys in the chat. You ever had the dream where, I think everyone's had this once, man. You ever had the dream where you're laying down in bed, okay? And you're sleeping, right? And then you wake up, but you can't move, right? You can't move. Your arms are, you can't move anything in your body, but your eyes are open, right? Your eyes are open, you can see in your room. And then this dark figure comes into the room and starts laying on top of you and just and it's just hovering over you and you can't do anything. You're just stuck. You're just stuck in that like paralyzed state. And then all of a sudden, the dark figure sort of walks away and then you wake up. I think everyone's had that, man. Shit is crazy, bro. Shit is crazy, man. Everyone's had that dark figure. I want to know what that dark figure is, because it's not just, it's just sleep paralysis. No, that is a figure for some reason that is coming into your room, man. That's all I'll say. That's some crazy stuff. Yeah, I was a damn stone boy. Everyone's had that before. Literally everyone. If you say you don't have that, I don't believe you. That was just Jabba sitting. That was just Jabba sitting on you at night. That's funny, man. So it was just Jabba coming out of nowhere and going, I'm sleeping like this, and it's just Jabba going over me going, Jordan, do you have any gift cards? I want some panda. Jordan, do you have any gift cards? And the reason why I couldn't move is because he was holding my arms down, and he was so big. Maybe that's why. That would make a lot of sense. I've also forgotten to breathe in my sleep several times. That's crazy, DJ. That's not good, man. That dark figure is demonic? 110%. 110%. Because there's this feeling that's going throughout your body. There's this feeling that's going... throughout your body, and you just feel that energy in your body, man. You can feel it. It's like this weird, you feel like something's not right, right? It's just flowing through your body.
Can't move and wide awake.
Never even had anything close to that shenanigans. Well, Clint, I guess you're the weird one, man, because everyone's had that. Lay off the shrooms. How is it demonic if you're an atheist? Well, it's not to be demonic. I don't think a demon has to do with religion. I think a demon is just someone who died and is evil and still is alive. Is still in the universe. They're in a different universe, but they can still tap into this one. It's not had to do with religion. You know what atheist is. Mark said it sounds like you've been taken advantage of. It's okay. We still like you. That's messed up, man. There was this one time I could move but couldn't see. No, I'm not blind. This is why Amber shit the bed. Oh, God, that's messed up. All right. Is anything else really going on, guys? Not really much, dude. Can't move and wide awake. See, D. Kennedy knows. D. Kennedy knows. Everyone I've ever talked to has always had that dream, by the way. Damn, market just got you talking about demons? Dude, Bitcoin's at the same price it was on January 6th. Yes, we're talking about demons. Okay? What do you think? I'm some superhuman that can talk about Bitcoin for 2 hours? Hell no.
Nope.
That was Jordan's stepdad paying him nightly visits. That's so messed up, man.
Damn markets got you talking about demons, Jordan?
That was your old priest. Dude, you guys are so messed up. Oh, man. That's some flawed logic right there. Flawed logic. Maybe BTC is possessed. Tyler said, Joy, I want to speak to your manager. Hey, we're trying to talk about something, man. We're trying to talk about something. Explain. I mean, I think this is how we're all feeling right now, man. We're dead. We're dead inside. You see this? We are dead inside. Where's my McDonald's hat? It's a perfect day for McD's. Perfect day for some McD's. Where are we here? McDonald's hat. I wish they had a Taco Bell hat. That would be better. There we go. Yeah, I mean, this is how we all feel right now. We're dead inside, man. We need a pigtail girl. Anyways, we have this from Will Clemente, if you want to know. Volatility is getting squeezed. So, I mean, we're not talking about a super in-depth indicator. We got the Bollinger Bands here. Bollinger Bands are squeezing on the daily chart. Usually when this happens, you do see a major move shortly after, right? So we've seen a couple times where this has been a top and a bottom, right? Down here back in, you guys see the mouse down here. Down here back in July of 2020, this actually resulted in a pump. Then we got a dump. Then we got a pump right here in the summertime. Then we got a little, I guess a little dump here. A little dump eventually there. And now we're kind of sitting in this spot. So what will happen next, man? We're still waiting for that move out of this, what I like to call crab range for total market cap. We're still sitting in that range. What's up, Kennedy, dude?
I'm Team Dodge after Dodge Starlink transaction. It ain't a dream. It feels so evil, brah. Horrible feeling. I thought it was just me.
Thank you, Kennedy.
Rolling on the floor.
No, man. Not a lot of people talk about that dream, but trust me, everyone has that. The only weirdo that doesn't have it is Clint. That's it. I'm Team Doge after Dodge Starlink transaction. It ain't a dream. Nice, dude. I mean, there's no problem with holding a little bit of Doge. I don't personally hold any Doge though, if I'm gonna be honest. Let's see. I'm so hungry I might have to actually eat McDonald's. Dude, you want me to force you to get me some McDonald's? All I have to do is bring up the nugget, man. Where's the nugget? Where is the nugget? My mom is here. McDonald's equals M equals 13th letter of alphabet. That's crazy, bro. Where is... You want some McDonald's? Here all I have to do, man. This will make your mouth water, and this will make you go get McDonald's, okay? There you go. Look at how good this nugget looks. I've always said this nugget looks... It never looks like this when you go there, though. It always looks like they fried some... You know, some, like, the chicken that was kind of stuck in the corner and no one wanted, right? You know there's, like, that one chicken in the pen? Like, all the other chickens are normal chickens, like, they're going, cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. And then there's that one chicken that's in the corner just kind of pecking the fence for no reason, you know? He's just, like, just pecking the fence for no reason. He's like an idiot. And all the other chickens are kind of looking at him like, dude, why is that chicken picking the fence? That's what McDonald's nuggets come from, is that chicken. But yes, this will make you hungry. You cannot look at this nugget and not be hungry. You like McDonald's nuggets?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Does this make your mouth water?
No.
Fuck. Not sure I'd eat it if I had a face talking to me, to be honest. Well, let me go back to the hat. But yeah. The good nugget. The dumbass fence pecker. McDonald's Burger King nuggets cheaper. Are they now? I notice McDonald's actually raised their prices. You know, there's no dollar menu anymore. It's the $2 menu, the $3 menu. What the heck is that, man? I remember I used to go to McDonald's. I used to get like 5-6 things for $6. That was the day. Those were the days. Now you get 6 things at McDub's. $20-$25 depending on what you get. Pour barbecue sauce on that. Oh man, guys, man. Oh, it's a boring market, dude. This is freaking boring, bro. Jordan, say eat meat. No. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna get off, guys, because I am a little bit bored, and we've been talking about nonsense here for the last, who knows. But thanks for you guys for hanging out. A lot of you guys still hanging out here, which is crazy. I don't know how you guys can sit here talking to me about McDonald's and aliens and that type of stuff. So I'll catch you guys later. All right, tomorrow we're doing the member stream tomorrow. Member stream, mods can be in there too. I might just do members only chat. We'll see. We'll see how many people are in there. But I'll be doing a morning stream tomorrow. Let's call it at. Let's do a little. Let's get a little deep and dirty here. Let's do 9 a.m. All right, 9 a.m. I'm getting up early tomorrow. 9 a.m. You guys like that's not early. Lately it is. 9 a.m. All right, members only stream. Make sure you guys are there. I'll catch you guys there. It'll probably be open to everyone. And then if I don't see you tomorrow morning, I'll catch you guys 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. All right? Catch you guys later. Adios, amigos. Peace.